can't believe we're already in autumn. It's already begun. And the thing that I do when the seasons change is I look at the skincare products that I'm using and I think, what am I going to need now to go into the new season? And I've put together a little kit called the Autumn Skin Restore Trio, and it has our Superfruit Exfoliating Wash-Off Cleanser, it has our Skin Perfecting Radiance Gel, and it has our Balance and Replenish Light Moisturizer. Now, having said that, you can use these products anytime. If you love them, you can use them anytime at all. But the reason why I'm talking about them now is you're going into a new season. So we've been in summer and, we've been wearing sun protection, sunscreen, and skin can be a little bit clogged. And I really want to get off those dead skin cells and start with a lovely vitamin C treatment, maybe address some of those pigmentation issues. And then I'm still, it's not heavy winter, so I'm still wanting a relatively lightish moisturizer. Not too light though. So the Superfruit Exfoliating Wash-Off Cleanser is going to work deeply. It has fruit acids in it, so that's going to help naturally exfoliate your skin, but it's gentle enough to use every day, and this will take off your makeup as well. So personally, I really love to use this at least once a week, and certainly if I'm doing it at the beginning of a season with our Skin Therapy Glow system to really cleanse deep down through the skin layers. The next one, our Skin Perfecting Radiance Gel. Now this has licorice, which is great for lightening any pigmentation. It has Lilly Pilly, again, high in vitamin C, Emu Apple, and it has a synthetic vitamin C. It's a gorgeous gel consistency, and I think we were one of the first brands in the natural space that really embraced that lovely gel consistency. And this is my everything kind of gel. I love it. It helps to refine the skin texture, especially after a beautiful deep cleanse. It helps to lighten any dark pigmentation spots. It's great for acne or rosacea. It's just an everything. If I've got a blemish or whatever, I just pop a little bit of this on, and it's so easy to get out because it comes with a little pump on your finger. You can just pop a little bit on. Yeah, great. It'll calm rosacea down or any eczema. Fabulous. And it will also refine the skin texture. I think I said that, but it's just an all-round unbelievable gel. And then our beautiful Balance and Replenish Light Moisturizer. Now this has calendula, which is super soothing, red mandarin and pumpkin. It's full of vitamins and nutrients, has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's going to, once you've cleansed, you got your beautiful vitamin C gel, your radiance gel, and that's just going to lock it all in. But at the same time, it's going to be feeding your skin at the same time and just helping it look radiant and beautiful.